What's going on, everybody? Black Dragonrider here. How you guys doing? Just on my way to well, I think motorbike calf. Not somewhere too big or something like that, but massive, like I can't remember that place now, that I went to in, was it 2016? 16 or 17? Squires. There you go. I'm not heading there. I just thought I'd just go somewhere a bit local and just have a look around. Also, it's Sunday. Lovely weather, a nice hot weather. And speaking of hot weathers, I know that there is gonna be loads of really stupid people out, especially when people are leaving their dogs in the car. We're gonna get those people who leave their dog in the car, think it's okay to turn down the window like just a bit, you know, like they're saying, oh, the dog will be alright, leave them with water and it will be just fine. No, it's not. It's not fine. I don't get it that people are leaving their dogs in the car, let them get exhausted in this heat. And obviously we all know that cars, because I just don't, like I said, I just don't get it how people are leaving their dogs in a hot car. Obviously there is loads of report from previous years that dogs is dying in the car because of heat. They don't get in their heads that it happened before, it happened again, and the newspaper will tell you how they all happen, but it's like they still continue to do it. Some car drivers, I mean dog owners, still continue to do it. But it's not also just dogs as well. Kids as well, I just don't get it. There are also people that leave their kids in the car. I find it disgusting. How can you leave your kids in the car sweating? I'm sick and tired hearing stuff on TV or on Facebook that someone left their dog or their child in the car, and it's just kind of like, you know, you kind of scratch your head and just go, is it common sense to know that leaving your kids in the car that can't walk, can't talk, and they are boiling in there? And obviously we all been in a hot car. Ooh. We all been in the hot car before, and we know that we sweat a lot. Now when we first get into the car and we sit down and we say, oh my gosh, it's boiling hot, and then you start sweating, your pores just start to open. Does it make you think, maybe I shouldn't leave my child in a car? I guess common sense is not common, isn't it? But I know that South Wiltshire Police, I think about a couple of years back, when this was increasing reports, and also I think they also did a commercial as well of these two girls. Sorry, I have to do a road bomb in this. Yeah, these two girls was walking past and seen a dog in a car, and they smashed the window open just so get the dog out from a boiling hot car and give it some water. But they did not give the child one. If I can remember right, I think if you leave your child in the car, you get harsh punishment. I think it's manslaughter, I think it is. I can't remember if it was manslaughter or not. If you leave your child in the car, in a body park. Just had a nice good cold drink, nothing too special. Because I remember when there was a bikers meet here, but apparently it's not stuff. It was like an event, so I assumed it was a bikers cafe, but nah. So if I want to go to a bikers cafe, I have to go to Squires, but that's a problem if I can be bothered. I want to take a picture, but there's one place I went past, but the problem was I couldn't stop because there was a car behind me. Did I discover a byway? Oh no, I didn't discover the byway. I thought I discovered the byway. I was like, yes! Is those crisp packets? Yeah, Pringles. I don't believe it. There's actually some Pringles in here. That could have been given to the homeless. Gosh. Everyone's... You know, I could find something useful in there. Waste of food. Run out last year. It can still be edible. So full of packet crisps. Wow. Crisps. Doesn't have a date on it. Oh. That is amazing. Freaking amazing. I would have just give it to the homeless. Free food, can't complain. I've been around here before. I think I was doing a pointless course at Job Centre that I passed so many times, and it did not help one bit to get a job. I think it was some sort of computer course, and I'm just like, what? You're kidding me, right? I'm on the computer course. He went, yeah, I know how to use a computer, I know how to use Microsoft, I know how to use this, that and other. But to be on the computer course, to me that's just like taking the mick. Well guys, I'm going to end this video because this video is going to start to get boring, so you don't want to hear me.
You've been acting like a stranger, said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep on waiting till you come ride with me, ride with me.